Okay, I started out on Monday afternoon, February 24th, after lunch, right between outlet number 2 and 3, and I was using a size 14 gray olive scud in a flow that was transitioning between 6,500 CFS and 3,500 CFS. I found the most descriptive chart on this trip to be the tailwater level chart there on the bottom in that bluish purple color. On the 24th, in the middle of the day, you can see that steady ramp down in tailwater level, which mirrored generation. That was different than the published schedule that had water off all afternoon. You can see that snow on the opposite bank as evidence of the bad weather that Branson had the week prior. By the way, that is Brett Rader there in that boat right across from me. But I think that melting snow with just beautiful temperatures the week I was there is one reason that the lake levels just steadily kept rising the whole time I was there. Another small one. Small one by Taneycomo standards, but that's okay. It's fun. It is fun. Let this guy go. Let that guy go. Pretty, pretty. Nice. This is now February 25th, and this afternoon the Corps did exactly what their published schedule said, which was water off the entire time I was there. I started out with a little olive and brown G-bug, but they didn't seem to want to take it, so I switched over to a midge and immediately started catching fish. On this afternoon, I started out in the same spot as the day prior, between outlet number 2 and outlet number 3. And the reason was that the water was still dropping. I started fishing at about 10:30 in the morning, and they had shut it off, but I felt like I needed to wait a little bit longer before I attempted to wade over to the south bank where I really wanted to fish for cruising fish. I love to sight fish. That's what I did the rest of the day, but this was a good place to start just to get a feel for things.
Beautiful rainbow. Right there. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful, beautiful.
Here's a picture of that little size 20 brown and black jujube midge I was using.
There he is. Good fish. Good fish. Lovely. Come on, get his head up. Get his head up. Ah. There we go. Got it. It's so much fun when the water's off and you can get something that they want to eat. Yeah, beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. Kind of beat up a little bit.
All right, the water has now gone down enough that I was able to wade across the south bank where I wanted to be to start out, and again started catching fish.
There it is. And the silver bullet.
Once I started sight fishing the south bank, I switched over to this size 20 olive and brown G-bug.
what I came for. Oh, this is the football. That was the one I was going for right there. Just so strong. Just so big. There he is. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty.
I felt like I had fished that bank pretty well, so I just turned around and walked over to the pool that's on the south side of the island. And I switched over to the size 20 olive softshell scud, and was glad that I did.
Oh my goodness. Oofta. Look at this beast. Wow. Look at this guy right here. Look at that. Isn't that something? Just lovely. Lovely, lovely. Wow. Love it.
I was on my way back across the stream near Rebar Hole. You can see those fishermen in the frame are standing in Rebar Hole. And I saw this pool here with just a little trickle of running water coming into it, and I could see fish working. So I threw a cast in there once again with a size 20 olive softshell scud and was treated with this one.
Beautiful fish. Wow, look at this one. there. But rewarded with this guy. Saw him head over to it. Isn't this pretty? I saw him come over to the fly. Isn't that pretty? Just gorgeous. Beautiful rainbow. Nice. I'm ready to go have some hors d'oeuvres.
I like it.
Nice male.